Hi guys, today we are going to see about the review of Nestle MilkyBar Moosha Caramel plus Nougat Bar. So let's start unwrapping. The bar is a Nestle product and the cost of the product is 10 rupees inclusive of all taxes and the weight is 20 grams. And you can see the green dot, which means that it is a vegetarian product, not vegan, vegetarian product. We could see the other side. It comes with an expiry of 8 months from the date of manufacture. The color shown in the picture is more or less similar. The size of the bar is approximately 7 centimeters when measured using the scale. We are now going to cut this bar into half to see how it appears inside. So we now cut the bar into two pieces, from which we can see that there are three layers. The outer white coating, in between there is dark brown on the top layer and light brown on the bottom layer. So which indicates that they are the layers of caramel and nougat. And it's time for taste testing, and I tasted this piece. The taste is somewhat sweeter from the outside, and when we start having that bite, its stable taste comes in the middle, and you can enjoy that yummy taste for some time. It is a milky, yummy and sugary tasty snack. If you feel hungry, this Milky Bar surely will be a filling snack. If you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel.